In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a big block of text and how to make your website more readable for your visitors. This is something that I think a lot of new designers and DIYers struggle with. It's how do we get the information to people in a way that makes sense for them and is easy for them to skim and read. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. If you're following along with my Squarespace pre launch checklist, welcome back. If you don't have a copy of that checklist yet, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. All right, let's dive in. Okay, I am here in one of my favorite free Squarespace templates. It's called Clove. And you can see on this page, I just have a welcome here in the header. This is a mistake I see a lot of folks making because this tells me nothing. And then a block of text here about a therapist. Now, sometimes this is what we get from our clients. So it's really interesting. It will let your viewer know if they are a good fit for this particular therapist, but it's really hard to read on a website. It's just a big block of text. So let me show you how I've changed this up and give you some inspiration on how to create a hierarchy of text on your own website that is easy to read. All right, this is the same content, but instead of welcome, we now have the therapist's name, what they do. They're a licensed therapist, compassionate support for life's challenges. And now I've just basically pulled out those two different sections of the paragraph, what they help with. And here are some bullet points. So you can really easily see the type of clients that are best for them and then how they work. So you can see if you're a good fit. So basically, this paragraph is now so much easier to digest and skim and read. If you're looking for someone who works with stress management, this is your person. It's a safe, supportive space, judgment free. So, again, the same content just pulled out in ways that it makes it so much easier for your site visitor to understand. And finally, that last section of the paragraph, contact me. I look forward to supporting you. Now we have a big call to action. Whether you're navigating a big life change or just feeling off, therapy can help. I'd love to support you. Book a consultation. So we are pulling it out in ways that make more sense. You could also add learn more here that could go to a page about fees or about the office if you wanted, or you could just remove this button altogether and just end with this call to action. But I wanted you to see how differently these feel. This certainly has the same content, but it's really hard to pull out what your visitor might be looking for. This is so much easier to skim and see if it's a really good fit for you. You're more likely to take action here when it's so clear than this paragraph that's just hard to read. So when you're working on your website, lean more into a hierarchy of text. So we've got headings and subheadings, bullet points, and sections so that it's really clear where the information for each section starts and stops. And it's easy to pull out these specific things that your site visitor might be looking for. If you found this helpful, please like the video or drop a comment below as that helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.